Hello everyone, what's up? It's another beautiful Saturday morning. I welcome you back to Ebony People TV. Today we've got some exciting news coming straight from the office of the chairman of Enugu North in Enugu State. Let me introduce you to the man of the hour, Dr. Ibe Ono. In a recent post made by him, Dr. Ibe thanked Ndi Enugu and celebrated his first 100 days in office. Yes, sharing all the great things he's been up to lately. So here is the thing. On January 8th, 2025, Dr. Ibe marked 100 days as chairman of Enugu North. He took office on October 2nd, 2024, and he's already been hard work all through. In his message, he said it's been an absolute honor to serve the people of Enugu State. During these first 100 days, his team has focused on some really important things: fixing and upgrading roads and other infrastructure, boosting economic growth, improving healthcare and education, beefing up community security, and making government work more efficiently. Let's break down some of the key achievements he has done so far. There's roads and infrastructure, solar street lights, healthcare upgrades, community security, and even digital solutions. They're also rolling out digital tools to help improve revenue collection, which means more efficient and transparent governance, right? All of these steps are part of a bigger plan that lines up with Governor Peter Ndobisi Mba's development goals. Dr. Ibe and his team are working closely with the governor's vision to turn Enugu North into a prosperous and sustainable area that benefits all of us. In simple terms, what does all this mean? It means that under Dr. Ibe, Enugu North is moving forward fast. From better roads to improved healthcare and stronger community security, every project is geared towards making life easier and more enjoyable for everyone living in the state. And with this project aligning with the governor's agenda, we can expect even more positive changes in the near future. Okay, that's it for today. Kindly feed your eyes on these projects he has achieved so far and the ones that are currently ongoing. We'll see you in our next video.